Where are you, Lisa? I'm here. I lost my phone. You lost your phone? Yes, I can't find it. When did you lose it? Just now. Where did you last see it? At the vegetable shop. Did you check your pockets? Yes, it's not there. What does your phone look like? It's black with a pink cover. Is it on silent? Yes, it is. Let's go to the vegetable shop. Okay, let's go. Excuse me, did you see a phone here? No, I did not. Let's ask the fruit seller. Oh, good idea. Excuse me, did anyone drop a phone? No, I didn't see any. I'm worried now. Don't worry. Let's check the security room. Where is the security room? It's near the entrance gate. Let's go quickly. Yes, let's hurry. Hello? Did anyone give a phone here? Yes, someone gave a phone. Is it black with a pink cover? Yes. Can you unlock it? Yes, I can. Please try. It's mine. Great. Please sign here. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I'm so happy. Me too. I was scared. Let's sit for a while. Yes, I need water. Is everything okay on the phone? Yes, everything is safe. Did you call your mom? Not yet. Call her now. She must be worried. Okay, I will. Mom, I got my phone. Thank God. Be careful next time. I will. It's okay. Do you want to drink juice? Yes, let's go. What juice do you want? Mango. Do you have your phone with you? Yes, I always check twice. I'm glad I came with you. Shopping conversation. Where are you going? I'm going shopping at the mall. Can I join you? Yes, of course. Let's go together. What do you want to buy? I want to buy some clothes. Do you need new shoes too? Yes, I need a pair of sports shoes. Should we check the sale section first? Yes, that's a good idea. Do you like this dress? Yes, but I want it in a different color. What color do you prefer? I prefer blue. Is this size good for you? No, I need a larger size. Do you want to try it on? Yes, I will try it in the trial room. Does it fit well? Yes, it fits perfectly. Should I also buy one? Yes, it looks good on you too. Do you think the price is reasonable? Yes, it's not too expensive. Should we check for shoes now? Yes, let's go to the shoe store. Do you like these shoes? Yes, they look good. Are they comfortable? Yes, they are very comfortable. Do you need any accessories? Yes, I need a handbag. Is it within your budget? Yes. Did you get everything you wanted? Yes, I found everything. Should we buy something to eat after shopping? Yes, I'm very hungry. Do you want pizza or burger? I want pizza. Did you enjoy shopping today? Yes, it was fun. How much did you spend? I spent around $200. Do you think we should come again next weekend? Yes, let's plan it. Should we bring other friends too? Yes, it will be more fun. Keep practicing every day, and soon you will speak English with confidence. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.